Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel. So today's topic of the class is different types of variables used in Java, and that is the instance variable, local variable and class variable. Although these terms are not new for you all because you have already used all such type of variables in different types of programs, right? But from the examination point of view, if the question comes what are instance variable, difference between the instance variable and local variables or class variable, you need to write some specific points. So in this video I am going to give you those points. So let's start. So first we will see instance variables versus local variable, and first we will understand the difference with the help of one program. So let's make a class cube. I am taking 3 variable LBH, then one constructor, that is parameterized constructor, int L1, int B1, int H1. L1 will be assigned into L, B1 will be assigned into B, and H1 will be assigned into H. And then we will make a function void volume, and in that function we will calculate the volume and taking a variable v which I am declaring it inside the method, and then we will calculate the volume and then we will display the volume. System dot out dot print volume equals to v, right? Let's make main function public static void main. Here I will pass string r. First we will create one object of class cube. Let it be c1 equals to new cube. Then c1 dot display, not display, volume we have taken, let it be volume. Again I am creating one second object, c2 equals to new cube, and in this we will pass 3 parameter 5, 4, 3, and then again I will invoke the method volume. Fine. Main close, class close. So this is a program, right? Now we will see what are instance variable and what are local variable in this program. So if the definition is asked what are instance variable, you can write instance variables are the variables which are declared within class but outside the method or constructor or any other block. So L, B, H are the 3 instance variable. One thing. And second feature is, so when it is created, these instance variable, when it is created, when we create the object. So as we create the object, these variables will be created. Fine. And if no value is assigned, then what value will be assigned into that? Default value. See, as we create the object c1, so it will invoke the default constructor and the LBH will be assigned 0, 0, 0. Default value, right? Then we have invoked c1 dot volume, so volume LBH multiply 0, again we get the 0, and the volume equals to 0 will be displayed. So in case of instance variable, if no value is assigned, then it will be assigned default values, right? And when the object is created, it will be created. When the object is destroyed, these variables will be destroyed. And these variables can be used throughout the class. LBH I have used here in the constructor, LBH I have used in the volume method, or if any other method would be there, I can use these instance variable throughout the class, right? So these are the few features of instance variable. One more is I can use the access specifier also with the instance variable. I can make it public, private or protected, right? Now let's see what are the local variable here. So can you see any local variable? See, in void volume, what I did, I declare a variable v inside the method. So can I use this v outside the method? No, I cannot use this v if any other method would be there, like display. So I cannot display v in that method. This is local variable. Its scope is only within this method. So this local variable is created when this particular method is started, and this local variable is destroyed when this method is exited, or we can say when the control comes out from this method, this variable will be destroyed, right? And default values will not be assigned into this. Fine. And one more thing is, each object has its own copy of instance variable, like C1 has its own copy of LBH, C2 has its own copy of LBH. But in case of local variable, these objects will not have its own copy. These are local, scope is within method only. So I hope you have understood the difference between instance variable and local. Any other local variable, if you can see, these are the parameters, right? So these parameters can also be considered as local variable, because I cannot use L1, B1, H1 outside the constructor. Their scope is only within this constructor. So these parameters can also be considered as local variable. So now we will see the difference between instance variables and local variables point wise. So first point is, instance variables are defined in class but outside the method and constructor, right? And local variable, they are defined within methods and blocks. Second point is, these variables are created when an object is instantiated. Means when you create the object, these variables will be created. And these variables are created when a block, method or constructor is started. When the control of execution enters inside the method, that variable will be created. When the execution comes out from the method, that variable will be destroyed, right? So next is, these variables are destroyed when the object is destroyed, instance variable. But these variables are destroyed when the constructor or method is exited. They can be accessed throughout the class, right? So you can access instance variable throughout the class, but their access is limited to the method in which it is declared. It includes access specifier like public, private, protected, and if you are not assigning any access specifier, that means which access specifier it is, default. But it doesn't include any access specifier. We cannot give access specifier to the local variable. Last point is, these variables are given default values if not assigned by code. If you are not assigning any values to the instance variable, then by default the default values will be assigned. But in case of local variable, these variables must be given values assigned by code. So it should be initialized before use. So these are the few differences between instance and local variable. I hope you have understood. So as we have just seen that instance variable can be used throughout the class. So can we say instance variable as class variables? No. So there are some differences between instance variable versus class variable. Class variables are also called static variables. So we can say class variables or static variable. So first we will understand the difference with the help of program. So I am making one program, in fact two programs, class, counter. Here I am taking a variable count which I will initialize with 0. Then I will take a constructor counter, and in that I will increment it by 1, and then I will display count, system dot out dot println count, right? And then public static void main string args, right? In that I will create 3 objects of class counter C1 equals to new counter. Counter C2 equals to new counter, then counter C3 equals to new counter, right? Main close, class close. So instance variable we have already studied. What are instance variable? That is declared within class but outside the constructor or method. So count is the instance variable, right, which we have initialized with 0. And as we create the or initiate the object counter C1 equals to new counter, so that will invoke the constructor, non-parameterized constructor. Here it will go, and in constructor we have given the increment to the count. So as we know, instance these C1, C2, C3 has its own copies of instance variable. So C1, C2, C3, we have created 3 objects, right, having its own copy of count. So this is C1 count. C1 is the name of object, here I am writing, and count is the variable inside that. C2, here the count, right, and here it is C3, and it has its own copy of count. So what is the value of count? See, as we create the object C1, so what happen? It will invoke this method, this non-parameterized constructor. The count will be given increment of 1. So earlier it was 0, now it has become 1. Count will become 1 in case of C1. Same way C2, again the count is 0 initially, but given the increment 1. So count is 1 in that. C3, again the same thing, initially count is 0, now we have given the increment by 1, so count is 1. And the output will be, as we have already displayed the count, so output will be 1, 1, 1, right. So C1, C2, C3 are 3 objects having its own copy of instance variable, that is count, and the value will be 1, 1, 1 because we have given simply the increment by 1, right. So this was the case of instance variable. But as I add one word in that, that is static. If I add static here, s will be small. As I declare the variable count as static, so what differences will come? See, when we declare static, so count has only one copy, and this static variable will be shared across the all 3 objects, right. Now the objects doesn't have its own copy of count. Count has only one copy, and this count variable will be shared across all the objects. Fine. So count was initially 0. So as we declare that counter C1 equals to new counter, as we create the object C1, so again the constructor will be called, increment will take place, so count will become 1, right. So count value will be 1. Now as we create second object C2, so as I told you, all objects will share the same variable, right. So now the increment, again the increment is of 1, but the initial value is 1, not 0. Fine. So as you create the object, as we create the object C2 here, so count will become 2, right. Same way as we create the object C3, then count will become 3, right. So the output will be 1, 2, 3. So this is the output. So counter C1 will invoke this, 0 का 1 हुआ, 1 will be displayed. Again the counter C2 will be created, again the same constructor will be called. तो 1 का कितना हो गया 2, then the 2 will be displayed. Again we have created third object, 2 का increment हुआ 3, तो 3 will be displayed, right. So instead of 1, 1, 1, the output will be 1, 2 and 3 when we declare it static. So I hope you have understood. So now see the two main differences between instance variables and class variables. So first difference is instance variables are created when an object is created and destroyed when an object is destroyed. So we have already studied about this. Now the class variables or static variables are created when the program starts and destroyed when the program terminates. Fine. So these are class variables. And the second point is each object has its own copy of instance variable, but in case of class variable, these variables are not tied to any particular object of class, right? So each object doesn't have its own copy of class variable. Class variable has its own one copy and it will be shared, and therefore it can share across all objects of the class. So these are the two main points or main differences between instance variable and class variable. So I hope you have understood the concept of variables, instance, local and class variable. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.